Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Lessons, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here with you today. I'm Charlie.
We're really happy that you're here, practicing your English with us.
If you're new here, this is a place to practice real, simple English through podcast-style conversations and clear subtitles.
And today, we're going to talk about something very positive and warm.
Yes, our topic is how to talk about your best moments and happy memories in English.
Before we really start, we have a very easy question for you. What is one small thing that makes you happy? It can be anything. For example, I feel happy when I drink coffee. My happy moment is walking in the park. I'm happy when I listen to music. Please write your answer in the comments. Even one short sentence is great practice.
Yes, don't be shy. Pause the video for a moment, think of one small happy thing, and type it in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And while you're here, if you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons. Your likes and subscriptions really help our channel grow and help other learners find these lessons. Thank you so much. All right, Charlie, let's start with a simple question. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. The weather is nice and I feel relaxed. What about you?
I'm doing very well. The sun is shining and I'm in a happy mood.
Did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes, I did. On Sunday, I visited my family. We had a small dinner together. We talked, laughed, and told stories. It was really lovely.
That sounds like a beautiful evening. My weekend was good too. On Saturday, I watched a very funny movie.
Oh, what kind of movie was it?
It was an animated film about a small robot. The robot was very cute and a little bit silly. I laughed many times.
That sounds fun. I want to watch that too.
You should. It's simple, sweet, and it will make you happy.
So, if you think about this week, what is one happy moment for you?
Let me think.
Take your time.
Okay, I know. Yesterday, my old friend called me, and we talked for almost 1 hour.
A whole hour? Was it a close friend?
Yes, my friend from school. His name is Adam. He lives in another city now, so we don't see each other very often.
What did you talk about?
We talked about many things, our jobs, some new movies, and also about old times.
Old times. That's a nice phrase. For our viewers, old times means things you did in the past, right?
Exactly. For example, we remembered playing football in the park after school, eating snacks and telling jokes.
That sounds like a wonderful memory. How did you feel after the call?
I felt really happy. I was smiling and I had more energy for the rest of the day. It was a simple moment, but it was a very good moment for me.
I love that. Talking with old friends can be one of the best feelings.
And what about you, Sarah? Did you have a happy moment today?
Yes, I did. It's a very small thing, but it made me really happy this morning.
What happened?
I made a perfect cup of coffee.
Oh yes, that is a happy moment.
For me, it is. The coffee was dark and hot. I added some milk and made it frothy on top. It smelled amazing and tasted just right.
Frothy. That's a good word. Can you explain it?
Of course. Frothy means there are many little bubbles or foam on top, like the milk on a cappuccino.
Ah, okay. So a frothy coffee has a nice creamy bubble layer on top.
Exactly. It's a small moment, but that first sip made me smile and started my day in a happy way.
I understand. Small happy moments are very important too.
Let's give our viewers some easy patterns to talk about their own happy moments.
Yes, you can say things like, "It made me happy." "It made me smile." "I felt happy when." "It was a happy moment because."
For example, I felt happy when I talked to my friend, or it was a happy moment because my coffee was perfect.
Very simple and very useful. You can use these for big moments and small moments.
There is another special word for a strong, happy feeling about something you did. The word is proud.
Yes, proud means you feel very good about something you or someone close to you did.
For example, I was proud when I finished my first 5-kilometer run. Or, I am proud of my friend for learning English every day.
You can feel proud of yourself, and you can also feel proud of other people.
It's a very warm, strong, happy feeling inside. Charlie, can you tell us about a big happy moment in your life?
Yes, of course. One of my biggest happy moments was when I visited London.
Oh, nice. When did you go to London?
I went about 2 years ago. It was my first time in the UK, and I felt very excited and a little nervous.
What did you see there?
I saw the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and of course, Big Ben.
The big famous clock.
Yes, that one. I had seen it many times in pictures and movies, but standing there and looking at it with my own eyes was different.
Was it like the photos?
It was even better. The sun was shining and the tower looked almost golden. I took so many photos, from the front, from the side, from far away, from very close.
I can imagine. Visiting London was something I wanted to do for a very long time. So when it finally happened, it was a very big happy moment.
We have a great phrase for that kind of moment. A dream come true.
Yes, I can say visiting London was a dream come true for me. Let's say it slowly for our viewers. It was a dream come true.
You can use this phrase for really big, special, happy moments, like your dream trip, your dream job, or meeting your favorite singer.
We talked about travel. What else can give us happy moments?
Food. Food gives many people happy moments.
I knew you would say that.
For example, "This pizza is so good, it makes me happy."
What kind of pizza do you like?
I love pepperoni pizza with lots of melted cheese. When you pick up a slice and the cheese stretches, that moment is pure happiness for me.
That sounds delicious. For me, a happy food is dark chocolate. Even one small piece can make a bad day feel better.
I agree, chocolate is a happy food.
Another happy moment is listening to your favorite song.
Yes, when my favorite song comes on, I sing very loudly. Maybe my neighbors don't love it, but I feel great.
What's your favorite song?
It's an old song, "Here Comes the Sun" by the Beatles. It always makes me feel calm and hopeful.
That song is so positive. You can say, I love this song. It makes me feel great.
Also, learning something new is a happy moment. When you finally understand a difficult English word, you feel proud.
Yes, that is a fantastic feeling. For example, if today you learn the phrase, a dream come true, that's a small English achievement.
And understanding more and more of this video is also an achievement for you.
Now let's talk about happy moments with other people. When your friend or family member has good news, what can you say in English?
You can say things like, "I'm so happy for you." "That's wonderful." "Congratulations."
These are perfect for situations like a new job, passing an exam, a birthday, a new baby, or getting married.
Let me give a real example. Last month, my sister said, "Charlie, I have a new job."
Nice. And what did you say?
I said, "Wow, congratulations. I'm really happy for you. That's amazing news."
Great reaction.
She smiled and said, "Thank you. Let's go out to celebrate."
So here's another important word, celebrate.
To celebrate means to do something special because something good happened.
For example, we went to a restaurant to celebrate her new job. We had a small party to celebrate his birthday.
You can also celebrate in simple ways, like eating a special dessert or calling a friend to share your good news.
Exactly. To celebrate just means to mark a happy moment in a special way.
Sarah, what is one thing that always makes you happy?
That's easy. My cat. When I come home, my cat walks to the door, looks at me, and says, meow. Every time it makes me smile.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna. She's black and white, and she loves sleeping on my sofa.
Animals are wonderful.
They really are. What about you? What always makes you happy?
For me, it's the sea. I love the ocean. The sound of the waves, whoosh, whoosh, the fresh air, the blue water. I always feel calm and happy near the sea.
That sounds amazing. So, we all have different things that make us happy: pets, nature, music, food, friends, family. And when we feel a little sad, it can help to remember our happy moments and think about those things. Let's play a small happy memory game to practice.
All right, I'm ready.
I will say a word, and you say the first happy moment that comes to your mind.
Okay, sounds fun.
The word is sunshine.
Sunshine. I remember a picnic in the park with my friends. The sun was warm, we ate sandwiches, and we talked all afternoon. It was a simple, happy day.
Nice. Now it's your turn to give me a word.
Okay, the word for you is rain.
Rain. I remember when I was a child, I loved putting on boots and jumping in puddles. My mother always said, "Sarah, you are so wet." But I was very happy.
That's a great memory.
Okay, I'll give you another word. Home.
Home. Coming back after a long trip. Opening the door, seeing my bed, my things, my kitchen. That feeling of, I'm finally home, is a very happy moment.
I agree. There is no place like home. Viewers, you can play this game too. Say one word like school, family, or music, and then describe a happy memory in English.
It's good for your English and good for your heart. Now, let's review some important words we used today. First word, proud.
You feel proud when you feel very good about something you or someone close to you did.
Examples. I was proud when I finished my project. My parents were proud of me when I passed my exam.
Next word, achievement.
An achievement is something you did successfully, especially if it was a bit difficult.
Examples: learning English is a big achievement. Running a marathon was an achievement for her.
Usually, after an achievement, you feel proud.
Next phrase, a dream come true.
We use this for very big, special, happy moments.
For example, visiting London was a dream come true for me. Meeting my favorite singer was a dream come true.
Next word, celebrate.
To celebrate means to do something special because something good happened.
Examples, we celebrated his birthday with cake and music. I will celebrate my progress by watching a movie in English.
And our last word is smile.
A smile is the happy expression on your face, and to smile is the action.
When something makes you happy, you can say, "It put a big smile on my face."
A smile is small, but it can change someone's whole day.
Let's use all of them in one sentence.
When I passed my exam, it was a big achievement. I felt very proud. It was like a dream come true. I went out to celebrate, and I had a big smile on my face all day.
Perfect. Question of the day. Now it's your turn to practice.
Our question of the day is, what was a happy moment for you this week?
It can be big or small. Maybe you drank a perfect cup of tea, talked to a friend, finished some work, or just had a quiet walk.
Please write your answer in the comments. You can write a simple sentence like, "My happy moment was eating dinner with my family," or "I felt happy when I watched a funny movie."
If you want a little challenge, try to use one of our new words. I was proud when, it was an achievement when, it was a dream come true when.
But remember, even one easy sentence in English is great practice.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We hope you remembered some of your own happy moments while listening.
If this lesson put a smile on your face, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Daily Lessons.
Don't forget to click the little bell icon so you know when our next English conversation is ready.
On your screen, you will see some other videos, maybe one about talking about your dreams, one about your daily routine, or one about your weekend plans.
Choose any video you like and click it to keep practicing English. That can be your next small achievement today.
Remember, learning English should include happy moments. Talk about your day in English, write about your life in English, and share your good news with others.
Thank you again for watching English Daily Lessons. Keep learning and keep smiling.
Bye for now.
Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.